In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam Cloud Sync error. Now the first thing you want to do is open up Steam, click up here and go to Settings. In here you should head over to Cloud. Now once you make sure this is enabled, you want to head over to Storage, click on these three buttons, press Repair Library. Once it's done repairing, you want to head over to Downloads, find Clear Download Cache and press Clear Cache. Now once you've done all of that, what you want to do is close down of this, come down here, right click on Steam and press Exit Steam. Now once it's done exiting, you want to reopen Steam and then head over to your library, find the game that you're having trouble with, let's just say it's Terraria, right click on it, Properties, Installed Files, and then verify integrity of game files. Now, any of these should fix the issue. If it doesn't, the last thing I suggest you try is come down here and search for Steam, right click on it, open file location, and then right click on Steam, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Now, I really hope any of these help fix the issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.